like this company. Hey! Where are you? Wait. Hold on. What's that noise coming from? Yeah, it's just nothing. Where are you? Ah, he's so loud. And there it is again. Just ignore it and calm down. I'm pretty sure there's nothing. Ooh, Ice Age! Sylvester! Sylvester, where are you? What a weird emoji. You're not Sylvester. Sylvester, where are you? I really missed you. Sylvester! I turned into a freakish daredevil. Okay, wherever that noise is coming from, I better deal with it. Oh, hi there. You kind of have a freakish face there. Okay, well, wherever that noise is coming from, I better... Don't make me fall. So anyways, I better find out what's going on. Something's just not right. I better figure out what that noise is coming from. So, I'm gonna be going and see what's going on. Get better. Now I'm gonna look at what's going on. Oh yeah, I forgot. Sylvester really likes chocolate brownies, so why don't I just So, anyways, what are you doing? I'm trying to look for Sylvester. Okay, let me ask you this nicely. But if I found Sylvester the cat, I will tell you. But I'm pretty sure that he's definitely not in here. So, you can just go around here. You do realize that this is my house, right? But anyways, I'm pretty sure I could look for... Wait a second! I think you stole Sylvester! Daffy? Why would I want your black and white cat? I see what you're doing here. You're stealing Sylvester so you could be friends with me. And also, you also make fun of me in the episodes from the 90s from Looney Tunes episode. And also, I don't want to be friends with a stupid, cussing bunny. Why would I even be friends with you? I tried to forget you since the 1930s. And I'm starting to think that you're kind of making me confused. You're just stealing Sylvester so you can be friends with me. And as you know, I'm going to find Sylvester the cat. Okay, now I don't even want to be friends with that dumb kidnapper cat. If you call him that he's a kidnapper, that means that you have him. That doesn't even make any... OMG!
Sylvester the cat will be avenged.
Daffy! I don't have your stupid cat! Yes, you do! Help me! There's a kidnapper! Kidnapper! Where are you, dumb bunny? I want to get you! Oh, I see him over there. Do you seriously think I'm stupid? Let me think. Yes. Ah! Ow. So he really does think I'm stupid. And just to let you know, guys, I'm really not stupid. Huh! I don't have your cat! Yes, you do! Oh no! I didn't! There's no way out! Give me back my cat! Whoa! Daffy, wait! What, Bunny? Listen, Daffy Duck, if I your cat, and if I heard some meowing sounds, none of this would have happened if you... Meow, meow. Oh, crud. Let me guess. You have my cat. Then you say you didn't. But Daffy, I didn't. Shut up. And then I see the cat. Well, welcome for my new friend. Say hello. A couple of lights. What are you gonna do? Blind me? No, he's going to fire you with lasers. And that's not just one. There's other ones too. What are you talking about? You see all those lights around you? Oh my! Guys, get ready to shoot the whoop. Okay, now boys. All this for a stupid cat? Meow, meow, meow. Sylvester, you decided to come back for me. Whatever, I'm not gonna keep this up anymore. See you later. And you are the reason why Sylvester just flew away! Daffy, didn't you ever consider that Sylvester the cat don't want to be a friend? What do you mean? Talk! But if Sylvester the cat didn't fly away, and if Sylvester the cat just stayed with you, he wouldn't even go away and you won't start this whole thing! And then you blame other people for doing bad stuff! And that's just wrong. You know what it means? No. It's called crime and punishment. But the crime wasn't even committed! I don't care. I'm still going to kill you in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Whatever! I'm still not dead. Now, because I killed Bugs Bunny, now I'm gonna keep on finding Sylvester the cat. Sylvester! Where are you, Sylvester? Nice certificates. Sylvester! Stupid. Hey! I'm not stupid! Ow! Remember, kids, never mess other people because they never done anything wrong. And don't blame other people because they're just very rude. And they could build up a whole destruction. So, anyways, that's all, folks.